The Inland Revenue Department is issuing more than 2.4 million tax returns for individuals starting today. That's around 40,000 more than the previous year. This, as authorities noted, salaries tax collection in the 2023-24 period broke previous records and reached a high of $79.9 billion. Timothy Lee tells us more.
The time for Hong Kong's employees and sole proprietors to file their tax returns is just around the corner. Starting today, the Inland Revenue Department will issue around 1.7 million tax returns in paper form and 670,000 in e-returns. The former must be filled before the deadline on June 3rd, while taxpayers will have an extra month before filing in their digital returns. Regarding this year's additional 40,000 tax returns, the Commissioner of Inland Revenue said it's partly due to the increased number of taxpayers.
And we also noticed that as at the 31st of March 2024, the number of businesses registered was 13,000 more than the year before, and we expect that there will be an increase in the number of taxpayers, which also contribute to an increased revenue collections in the coming year.
This, as authorities said, the salaries tax collections in the last financial year reached $79.9 billion. The figure is $400 million higher than that of the year before and set a new record high. A drop was noted in profits tax collections from $174.2 billion in the 2022-23 period to last year's $170.5 billion, which was a decline of 2%. The most drastic decline was in stamp duty collections, which decreased by $20.9 billion, which was a 30% drop from the prior year. The total amount of tax collected in the 2023-24 period was $342 billion, which is still a 5% decline on a yearly basis. The IRD said its estimate for total revenue collection will rise by 12% next year, particularly through increased stamp duty collection. The Inland Revenue Department reminded residents to stay alert of fraudulent emails regarding their e-tax accounts. The department stressed IRD emails do not include hyperlinks that require residents to provide credit card or bank account information. Timothy Lee, TVB News.